This video I will share you another Murad pick category meme coin here, and here you can see friends market cap is just $24 million, but this meme coin has potential to be the next big meme coin and maybe next the mega balloon. We can see its market cap in $1 billion here, and because this meme coin is still low listed on any tier 1 exchange, but it's also possible that we can see its listing on tier 1 exchanges also. Why I'm very bullish about this meme coin, I will show you all further details here. You have to just further complete here. So American coin snap USS symbol 0.5 times 0 to $1 current price, and its last 30 days performance is not good, but this good for us that this meme coin is more than 48% jump here. So this is good for us. We can make good entry here for $24.8 million market cap. So this is good, friends. $619,000 trading volume in last 24 hours. 11 trillion coin supply, all in circulation on other Solana ecosystem meme coin. And friends, you can see categories. This is country theme meme coin. Because in crypto market we saw mostly animal theme meme coin, just like frog theme meme coin, dog, cat theme meme coin. But this is country theme meme coin. So if in future we saw massive hype for country theme meme coin for this category, then this meme coin can perform really amazing here. And Murad picks. Okay, Murad the one who earned more than $100 million in meme coin. So that's why Murad is also holding this coin. So this meme coin is very amazing. Yeah, 80% down the install time high. There was 7 months ago, and 800% up the install time low. There were 4 months ago. So perform from this meme coin is good. And friends, you can see still there's no any cent like listing for this meme coin. More than $24 million market already for USC coin, but still there's no any cent like listing for this meme coin. So definitely we can see major cent like listing soon, and at that time this meme coin can do maybe 5 to 10x in short term, because still there's no any cent like listing for this coin. And friends, website is also looking good. You can buy this meme coin on their official website, or so you have to just copy its contract address. You can click here and buy USA coin. Buy you can on their official website also, and you can buy from Dexes, as I'll show you. Here you can see, friends, to join Phantom Wallet, you have to download Phantom Wallet, and you have to connect through Jupiter Exchange. So this is good. So website has no more information about this meme coins. This is good. So friends, now my price prediction about this meme coin is that as this current market cap is just $4 million, and because Murad is holding this meme coin and this is country theme meme coin, so that's why this meme coin is very unique here. And I think maybe in coming few months we can see its centralized listing also, because you can see all the taxes, so all the Solana taxes that this meme coin is listed right now. So still there's no any centralized listing for this meme coin, but definitely centralized exchanges will list soon this meme coin. And in centralized listing in short term, this meme coin can reach maybe $100 million market cap here, at least 5x from here. But in next year mega balloon, after 8 to 12 months from now, this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin. It's really possible, friends, because this country theme meme coin in crypto market, mostly unique theme meme coin, will perform okay amazing. And because it's a unique theme meme coin, so it's also possible that we can see this market from just $4 million to maybe $1 to $2 billion in next year mega billion. It's my own price prediction, but it can be true or not. So if you're also making investment in this meme coin, do your own research and then invest here.